Minsan kung alin pa yung maliit, yun pa yung mas malupit. Mukhang marami magbabalik loob dito kay Boya wireless microphone. Marami na kasi naglabasan at sumikat na mga wireless microphone ngayon. Pero hindi magpapatalo si Boya. They are releasing the Boya Mic Mini. At compared po sa kanilang mga previous Boya microphone, ang masasabi ko lang, isa to sa pinaka high quality, premium, but still affordable nila na wireless microphone. Kung makikita mo yung size, ganito lang siya kaliit. And this is probably the smallest wireless microphone na nakita ko. Kahit ganito kaliit, this could give you up to 6 hours of usage with 100 meters of range. Kaya panalo ka na rin dito. But what I like about it is that kahit ganito lang po kaliit, meron na rin siyang noise cancelling. Kapag po green yung kanyang kulay, naka noise cancelling. But if you press this button, kapag naka blue, naka turn off po siya. At para ma-compare natin yung quality without the noise cancelling, at ito naman po ang tunog niya kapag po naka-turn on yung ating noise cancelling. Kung sa tingin mo kailangan mo ng more than 6 hours in using your mic, don't worry. Sa casing natin, meron pa po siyang isang microphone na pwede mong pagpalitin. Pero all in all, kung kasama po yung ating charging case, this will give you a total of 30 hours. Isa pang nagustuhan ko dito ay hindi ka naman problema kung pwede ba to sa Android or iOS kasi meron kang dalawang receiver na makukuha, kaya kahit ano pang phone ang gamitin mo, sigurado nagagana to. I think it's worth mentioning na pagdating po sa mga microphone ni Boya, ito yung isa sa pinaka-premium feels nila from the craftsmanship, pati po yung build ng case nila. I would say that this is probably one of their best so far. But if there's one small thing that I want to let you know before buying the Boya Mic Mini, if there's one small feedback, it's the fact that it doesn't have a magnet na madalas meron ako with my other brands of my wireless microphones. If that is something that's such a big deal for you, then I would like to let you know. Pero other than that, yung price, yung range niya na 100 meters, yung battery life, and of course the noise cancelling feature, okay na okay siya sa akin. Pwede mo siyang i-clip na ganyan at dahil sa sobrang liit naman niya, I don't think it's really such a big deal. So kung naghahanap ka ng wireless microphone na talagang high quality at the same time kompleto po sa mga professional features, you might want to get this one. Stay safe. Peace.